Hydro foam infused with silicon oxide high gloss properties safely removes dirt from your paint while adding a water-repellent ceramic seal. Ideal for maintenance washing vehicles with ceramic or other protective coating and can be used as a standalone soap. Hydro foam delivers a formula to nurture and shield your vehicle's paint. Hydro foam's excessive amounts of foaming bubbles that clean and protect with its silicon oxide formula make it unique. It's like nothing you've ever seen before. Ceramic-infused hydro foam, with its silicon oxide formula, leaves behind ceramic protection and an unbelievable gloss that leaves a silica-rich film that repels water, dirt, and other grime, keeping your vehicle cleaner, longer. Ceramic-infused hydro foam can be used on non-ceramic coated cars to add water-beading properties or on a ceramic-coated vehicle to revive your ceramic coating. To select the right product for your detailing need, visit our website at ceramicgarage.com.